The Savior is long-suffering. Luke 23 verse 11, And Herod with his soldiers treated him with contempt and mocked him. Then arraying him in splendid clothing, he sent him back to Pilate. We see here a moment in the life of Jesus where he stands before Herod, mocked and treated with contempt. This scene encapsulates the essence of Jesus as our long-suffering Savior. Herod, in his arrogance, adorns Jesus with splendid clothing, a twisted mockery of kingship, yet Jesus remains silent. This silence is not weakness. It is the strength of humility and the depth of His love for humanity. Consider the gravity of this moment. The Creator of the universe, the King of kings, subjected to ridicule and scorn. He could have called down legions of angels to defend Him, yet He chose to endure. His long suffering is a testament to His character and His mission. In the face of humiliation, Jesus exemplifies patience and grace, showing us that true strength often lies in restraint and love. As we reflect on this, we are called to follow His example. In our own lives, we may face mockery, injustice, or trials. Like Jesus, we can choose to respond with faith and trust in God, knowing that our suffering is not in vain. His quiet endurance opened the way for our salvation, reminding us that through our trials, we can also bring light to others. Let us embrace the long-suffering Spirit of Christ, allowing His example to inspire us to endure with grace and faith, trusting in God's ultimate plan for our lives. In moments of hardships, remember that we are never alone. Our Savior walks with us, showing us the way through His own silent strength.